Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to go over what to do if your Roomba seems to not be seeing things that it should be seeing, like driving off cliffs, for example, driving off the steps and stuff like that. It seems like that shouldn't be happening. What you're going to want to do is check the sensors, because the sensors might be blocked or dirty somehow. So there might be actually something over them. So these are the sensors that see where there's a cliff to make sure they don't drive off. And so they can either just get too dirty so that they can't see, or they can actually be physically blocked by something. So yeah, just in summary, if your Roomba is driving off cliffs, or if it's just acting weird, like it can't see where it's going, go ahead and check and make sure these sensors are clean and not blocked by anything. So anyways, I hope this helped, and thanks for watching and have a great day.